how to fix Minecraft launcher not working or downloading on your Windows Microsoft Store. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing such issue where you cannot where you are not simply able to download or install this Minecraft launcher on your Microsoft Store, then what you can do is, first thing, just make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi network connection. So once you do that, another thing what you need to do is just come back to your search bar and simply search in for store, Microsoft Store, and just head over to this right section and simply click on this app settings of which will take you to the Microsoft Store settings. So from over here, just scroll down until you see this repair option. So if this system component isn't working, that means your Microsoft Store is not functioning properly, then simply click on this repair. And you can also try resetting your whole Microsoft Store, and you may have to re-enter your login credentials. And once you do that, your Minecraft not downloading or installing from Microsoft Store issue should be fixed successfully. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.